What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing a Mini Stay Puft Marshmallow from the Ghostbusters. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the bottom edge of the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up above the cheek and then out. Let's line this up on the right. We're going to go up and then bend that out. Let's tuck the eyes in behind the cheeks. On the left side, we're going to step in. We're going to draw an oval. We're going to go up towards the top of the eye, come around the inside, and then back down. Let's do the same thing on the right. I want to bring that up towards the same height, come all the way around, and then back down. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So on the left, we're going to draw a circle, going all the way around, and then in, and we'll draw the same size circle on the right. Let's fill the inside of the pupils in black. Now from the eyes, we're going to move down and draw the top of the mouth, starting over on the left, bend this down, and then up. Now let's fold in the cheeks. We're going to step up, come down, and out. Let's go back to the left side and draw the bottom of the mouth. We're going to come down, round up the mouth, and then back up. And then we want to place the tongue along the bottom, starting on the left, go up and down. Let's fill the top of the mouth in black. Now with the face complete, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. On the outside left eye, we're going to step out, let's curve the cheek. And come around, come down and in towards the chin, round up the chin, go up on the right side, and then bend that in towards the eye. On the left side, we're just going to bump up the side of the head and go up towards the hat. Let's go over towards the right. We're going to go up, round up the head, and come across towards the middle. Let's connect the outside of the head to the top with a curve. We're going to go up and then across. From those two same points, draw two straight angle lines going up toward the top of the hat. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with a curve. We're going to go up and then in, following that same curve across the bottom. Now I want to layer the top of the hat in behind that band. So on the left, we're going to step down, curve it around, go up across the top. And I want to bring this in on the right side, and then bend that in toward the side. Let's add that strap coming down the side. We're going to start on the left, come around, and then in, and then bend that back out. Let's flatten off the end with a straight angled line, and we're going to follow that same curve going back up underneath the bottom of the hat. Now let's move down and draw a large circle for the body tucked in underneath the head. So we're going to start on the left side. Curve this around, and down towards the bottom, go across, and then back up. Now you want to tuck the legs in underneath the body, but I want to separate it into two sections, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to bend this down, and then out. Move over towards the right, and do the same thing, coming down and out. Let's draw the bottom section. We're going to step back, come down, and then out towards the bottom of the feet. Now we're going to go back up to the body along the side. Just going to round up the leg. We're going to come down and bend that in, sort of aiming toward that inside curve. Let's do that one more time. Stepping back, bend this out, and then down towards the bottom. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Going down the middle, and then back up. Now I'm going to do a similar thing with the arms, breaking it up into two sections. We're going to start from the top of the body, go out, and then down. On the left side, we're going to step up. Just going to round up the arm, coming around, in towards the wrist, and just pull that in towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to add two small fists on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the arm. Come down and up with a small half circle, close off the end with a bracket. And then we'll add 3 fingers on either side, starting from the bottom of the thumb and come around the bracket and in, step down there in the second finger, and then the third finger, we're just going to pull this in towards the wrist. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw a mini Stay Puft Marshmallow. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.